Miku, why are you crying over your laptop again?
There are 600 plus Linux distros. How do people pick one? Why is choosing an OS harder than choosing a girlfriend?
That's because Linux distros are basically girlfriends. Each has personality traits, baggage, red flags, everything you always fall for. Okay, quick explanation for beginners before Miku picks Arch for the wrong reasons again. Linux kernel is like the engine, like a V12, while distros are like the body, interior, and more. So a distro is just Linux plus choices. Different desktops, different package managers. Overall, different vibes.
So like, same body, different personality?
Exactly. Just like you stalking the same girl across all her social accounts. Same girl, different profile pictures.
Hey, that was one time.
Anyway, let's go through the top Linux distros and explain them like the waifus they are.
Wait, are we allowed to do that? Won't we get massive backlash by our subscribers?
What subscribers? Okay, so first we have Ubuntu is your safe choice girlfriend. Stable, predictable, responsible. She won't crash your laptop or your mental health.
So she's like the girl you date before the crazy one?
Exactly. Good for beginners. Her only red flag is that she's default. Mint is Ubuntu, but with fewer annoying behaviors. She actually listens, doesn't nag, doesn't force snap on you.
So she's that girl who looks the same but cooks better?
Yes, Mint is the stable girlfriend who packs your lunch. Pop OS is the girlfriend who can build a PC faster than you can Google how to plug in RAM.
Stop calling me out.
Pop is made for gaming, GPUs, tiling windows, productivity. So a reliable queen. Okay, this time making sure I don't get cut off. So first off we have Wait, who put this here? This is supposed to be a beginner distro. This damn clanker.
Since we can't afford to make another render of the title screen with integrated graphics, we may as well continue.
Fine. Fedora is the straight A girlfriend who uses words you pretend to understand. Wayland, Excellent, RPM Austri.
Yeah, I definitely know what those mean.
She's the future of Linux, but still nice to beginners. Her red flag. She updates often enough to give you trust issues. Arch is that guy who wakes up at 4 a.m., deadlifts 200 kilos, then tells everyone on the internet.
But he still lives with his mom?
Correct. Arch uses brag way too much, but the distro is powerful. Rolling release, customizable, lightweight.
So he's a rocking red flag, but still attractive.
That's literally the entire user base.
Wait, but weren't we doing waifus? Why is there a guy here?
Because all Arch users are chads, and of course women can't be chads.
Yo, sorry to the 13%.
Manjaro is Arch but says, sweetie, let me do the hard parts for you.
Oh, like someone who looks dangerous, but actually orders a strawberry milkshake?
Yes, exactly. Red flag. Their updates have traumatized entire generations.
I heard someone disrespecting Debian.
Debian is the stable, responsible, reliable one. Zero drama. Zero surprises.
So like, a sugar mommy, but emotional support version?
I am uninstalling your bootloader.
So why are there 600 plus distros? Because Linux is open source. Anyone can modify it. Anyone can make their own flavor. Package managers, rolling versus stable, different goals. Beginners think this is confusing. Experts think this is freedom. Miku thinks this is Tinder.
Okay, but which one's like spec?
Alright, recommendations time. For total beginner, Ubuntu, Mint, Pop OS. For someone who wants to suffer for the aesthetic, Arch, Ancient Potato PC, MX Linux, Linux Lite. Remember, ancient not old, most old Linux distros run pretty smooth compared to other OS. For gaming, Nobara, Pop OS. for professional work with no explosions, Debian, Fedora.
So don't choose based on types?
No, choose based on what you need.
What if what I need is a distro that looks like a hot anime girl?
That's called a wallpaper, Miku. Anyway, what did you end up choosing?
What is wrong with her?
Everything. Absolutely everything.
You told me distros were like waifus, so I was doing research, okay?
Close the laptop. Just close it. Immediately.